दोनों का सेकेंड टाइम का अवार्ड इंडियाज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड। ओपन करके देखे इसमें क्या है। ओके चलो आ जाओ। ये है ओपन, ये है नंदिनी मिरर सर्टिफिकेट। लुक वो छोड़ो, ये है हमारी नंदिनी का सेकेंड टाइम का सर्टिफिकेट। आप दिखा दो पापा को।
मामा आर यू हैप्पी? यस ओके। ये क्या है आपका?
टेलीविजन बर्थडे।
ओके गुड गुड।
इंडिया वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड सर्टिफिकेट।
बेटू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन फॉर योर सेकेंड टाइम इंडियाज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड सक्सेस। तो पापा आपको गिफ्ट देंगे ना? यू नीड गिफ्ट। गिफ्ट नहीं चाहिए आपको? देखो पापा आपके लिए क्या लाए हैं। इट्स ए सेलिब्रेशन पैक फॉर यू, टेक इट।
थैंक यू पापा।
अच्छा आप दिखाओ ना सेलिब्रेशन पैक। ओह यस यू आर एंजॉइंग। यस लेट्स ओपन एंड एंजॉय एंड वी आर checking. Give me what? Okay, take it. Okay, now we can check the certificate, what the achievements are. Please tell the success about our daughter.
Certificate. Youngest Memory Genius Certificate. This certificate is presented to Miss Anwita Moharana. Date of birth is 6/6/2020. Daughter of Surendra Moharana and Sushmita Moharana from Rautla, Odisha and India. She is the youngest king who can introduce herself and her family. She can name and identify 21 professional persons, 27 animals and their babies, 15 computer accessories, 28 transport vehicles, 15 stationary goods, 15 insects, 22 electrical goods, 42 types of different birds.
Start.
Recall 7 days of weeks, 12 months of the year, season name of the year, planet of the solar system, 7 name of Saptarishis, 7 continents of the world, 7 wonders of the world, 12 names of zodiac sign in Odia. She also doing 17 animal sounds successfully. She can also sing song, recite Guru Vandana and Karagre, Vasate, Lakshmi, good morning prayer. Thank you.
Start.
This hello. Correctly recorded on 17th May of 2023. This certificate is recorded on 17th May 2023.
Start करो.
We are very much proud of our daughter, Miss Anwita Moharana. She is doing her best in the.
Thank you. This is our daughter's second time achievement of India's world record and recognized as certificate for youngest memory genius. We are very much happy to selected our daughter as second time in Indian world record with good achievements, and this is a certificate with us and the trophy. This is our lovely daughter. Say hi to mama. Say hi.
Doctor my bebulu.
Bebulu. This is my Bebulu. You know that. We are thinking as a nickname is Sumi, and your lovely name is Bebulu. Okay. So Bebulu, tell me 7 days of week. Sunday. आप बोल दो ना एक बार. Okay. What you are eating? Chocolates. Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
Sunday,
Okay. Month of the year. January.
January, February, March, June,
Yep.
April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, month in the year.
Okay. Planets of solar system. Sun. कह दियो माँ. Sun. Start करूँ से कोई बात. Sun. देवी देखो ये जो अच्छी ना मुंगम देवी हाँ कह दियो. Sun. Sun.
Sun, moon, sun, ocean, sun,
तापरे
Milky Way, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Moon. This had to remember.
हाँ दे. अच्छा. 7 name of सप्तऋषि.
What's a 7? Go to Buddha. Buddha. Archie. Bogira.
तापरे
Vasate.
These are name of sapta.
Saturday.
Good, good, good.
Heaven. Europe. Africa. Asia. Antarctica. South America. North America. These are the name of solar system.
7 continent.
7 continents.
Okay. Tell me about the 7 wonder of the world. The Great Wall of China.
Chocolate, China. Collagen. Taj Mahal. Machu Picchu. China Ninja. Pictura. This. That. Name
Of
of
7.
7 continents.
7 wonders.
Katru.
Kachru. Pula. Pula. Archie. Bogira. Systemachi. Dija. Name
Of Sapta.
Saturday.
Good, good. You are doing well. Yes, sir.
No. मैं सबसे समय से नकल का तचियो खाना चुनो ठीक तो लो जिन से बचा मिठा दनु मकर चुनो मा
These are name of Horus.
That's cool.
Good. You are doing well. Thank you.